One of the core pillars of the ADS Foundation is water, and that's access to clean water from an enjoyment and engagement perspective and making sure that people have the ability to access water. That's why the ADS Foundation is a proud supporter of the Nature Conservancy and the Brightstorm program.
Brightstorm is the Nature Conservancy's response to one of the world's fastest growing environmental challenges, stormwater runoff. When rain hits pavement, it doesn't just disappear. It picks up pollution and rushes into the natural places we love and damages them.
Stormwater is something that a lot of people think about as a nuisance. They think about it as a problem. What the Brightstorm program does is it looks at it across a broader scale. So it actually looks at an entire watershed and how all the different pieces and elements of the watershed work together. And so that provides a much more comprehensive solution, and ultimately they're going to manage stormwater in a much more cohesive way.
The lessons we learn together will inform policies, permitting, and design guidelines, making it easier for other communities to adopt similar solutions. And that's what TNC has been doing for its 75-year history, pairing solid science with a focus on deep community engagement to solve real problems in real places. And because we test and refine these solutions on the ground, they're practical, scalable, and deliver tangible benefits for both people and nature.
It's two organizations that are focused on the same thing, coming together to solve problems which improve the quality of life in communities where people live. And so by working together with Brightstorm and Nature Conservancy, using the ADS Foundation and then plugging in some ADS resources, we're able to work with everybody. And frankly, we don't solve this problem if everybody doesn't get involved.
What excites me about this collaboration is how it pairs TNC's conservation science with ADS's real-world reach and know-how. We're not just doing one project, we're building a playbook for how technology and nature work together in stormwater. This is about building resilience for the future, starting today.